Till now, whatever we have seen, the different parts is actually in the plane, in aircraft. You can see now here. This is inner compartment. The inner compartment is this. And that different parts, how it is. See the cylinders, oxygen cylinders, oxygen tanks. You can see here. See, this is a complete part of the flight, inner view. See, it's a camera. Photography. No photography in CO2 high system. See, this is a complete view of flight. So since the photography is prohibited, means video also maybe supposed to be stopped inside view. This is nice to look. All inner view of mechanism and all.